Well, this is the portage from Indian Point Lake to Isaac Lake. It's 1.6 kilometers. And supposedly, it's pretty mucky. It's starting to get mucky. You can hear it slopping underneath our feet. Well, we haven't reached the lake yet, but the portage looks like it has a bit of a lake in it. Whoa. That wasn't dim at all. Yeah, and I went in to my knees. For tonight's dinner, we have some steak, cabbage, peppers, onion, zucchini, a J-Lore wine. It's going to be boiled in a bag on the pot. And Janet's enjoying a nice, well-deserved glass of wine after about, 7.5 hours of paddling, 45 kilometers probably. Nothing like, starting the day off just as a little warm-up.
Massage time later.
Yeah. Good job, sweetie. This is like dinner in all those fancy restaurants. Sous vide style. What a better way to start your morning than with a little bit of hot chocolate and Baileys.
Or cafe mocha with Baileys for you, Joss.
It's going to be another epic day.
Cheers.
Cheers. For breakfast this morning, we have a sous vide frittata. A couple of Looney Tunes. 3 of them, in fact. I guess 4 if you count Janet now. "50 Shades of Green." Bath time?
It feels warmer on the feet than when you get in.
This is a pretty spectacular bathroom view. With the mountains in behind too.
Turn on the hot water, please.
Yeah. It's cold and cold running water. Janet's doing everything not to go all the way underwater. Janet, are you going to do the elephant bath where you splash water up and over your back? Nice. You have to go deep enough so where you can actually jump in.
Okay, I'll follow you, only to a certain point. I thought we caught a fish there.
Like a fish out of water. Dinner for night 2 is chicken and veggies with some Zinfandel. Who says we're roughing it? So after another 40-kilometer day, a scrumptious dinner, it's time for a little dolce. Chocolate and Sammy. Cheers. Ooh. Want some Sammy to chase that chocolate?
It's well disguised in a Gatorade.
The third morning, and we're leaving Sandy Lake. It could be aptly named Foggy Lake this morning, like the inside of a ping pong ball, the way that it looks. Portages after this, each of them only about 400 meters. This one's not muddy, which is nice. We saw some moose prints. Maybe we'll see a cow moose. Now we're on Babcock Lake. The fog has lifted. Another unbelievable day. Nice calm water, sunshine, a little nip in the air. The dragonfly, or pair of dragonflies, just flew right by. Our backcountry charcuterie board. From left going around in a clockwise fashion, we've got chicken, some Asiago cheese, some aged cheddar, a nice spicy pepperoni, and then for dessert, trail mix complete with some chocolate covered acai berries. Dig in. Ooh.
Yum.
Well, the last 7 kilometers back out on Bowron Lakes, and the weather has been unbelievable. glass-like conditions on the lake, nice and sunny, cool little breeze to cool you off a little bit, although today I think is the hottest of the days, and incredible scenery all around. And getting to see a moose and its calf just on the way out, just before the Bowron River. That was a highlight.